Welcome to Unit 1042. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, top floor unit at the Ledges. It offers a sweeping view of the main channel with no blocking of the docks. There are 2 bedrooms on the main floor. The master is lakeside, and the 3rd bedroom is upstairs in the loft. It offers an additional living space as well. Really spacious. This is a great unit. Let's take a look. So if you would like this to be your condo with this incredible view, give us a call at 1-800-836-2005 and schedule a showing. Thanks so much.